So by default, Google Keep has a bright a theme. That is, everything is white and the background is white and so forth, and the text is black. But if you want to go around and access out the dark theme, then all you need to do is click on the gear icon right here by accessing the settings and go to enable dark theme. So once you go around and click on it, you can see that everything turns dark right here, including the colors right here. They get adapted, and over here you can see that all of the notes right here, the interface and everything, all becomes dark, and the text becomes bright right here, including the colors that you apply, the background, everything takes a dark tone, as you can see right here. If you want to change it back into the bright tone, then again you need to click on the gear icon and then simply disable out the dark theme, and you get the white theme just like this again. And that is how you can go around and easily change out the theme of how Google Keep actually looks. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.